So another way that auto-scaling can occur with an auto-scaling group is through health checks. And down here, we actually have two types. We have EC2 and ELB. So we're going to look at EC2 first. So the idea here is that when this is set, it's going to check the EC2 instance to see if it's healthy. And that's dependent on these two checks that's always performed on EC2 instances. And so if any of them fail, it's going to be considered unhealthy, and the auto-scaling group is going to kill that EC2 instance. And if you have your minimum capacity set to 1, it's going to then spin up a new EC2 instance. So that's the EC2 type. Now let's go look at the ELB type. So for the ELB type, the health check is performed based on an ELB health check. And the ELB can perform a health check by pinging an endpoint on that server. It could be HTTP or HTTPS, and it expects a response. And you can say, I want a 200 back at this specific endpoint. So here, that's actually what we do. So if you have a web app, you might make a HTML page called health check, and it should return 200. And if it is, then it's considered healthy. If that fails, then the auto-scaling group will kill that EC2 instance. And again, if your minimum is set to 1, it's going to spin up a healthy new EC2 instance.